This is Noritz's support and part portal. The site was built to allow different kinds of users that Noritz works with, whether it's distributors and resellers of their tankless water heaters, installers, local plumbers who maybe have never even worked on a Noritz product before, or homeowners that happen to have one of their tankless water heaters installed, have the ability to find replacement parts, refurbishment kits, in a way that's easy and simple for them to work with. So one of the ways we achieve that is there's different ways to get to the actual parts that are for sale on the site using different personas and different comfort levels. So if I'm maybe a plumber who happens to know particularly what products I'm looking for, I can go through the different products visually here, referencing different series. As I get into my individual tankless water heater, I can cross-reference all of the technical literature that's available for the water heater. I could look at an exploded parts diagram, check the technical specs, review the warranty status that's in particular on this particular model. And then right below it, I have the ability to reference against the individual parts. And in those parts, I'm seeing my pricing as a plumber, my stock status, and I can go through the process of actually purchasing those online. If I'm maybe someone who's less familiar with Noritz's products, if I were to go back into just the parts categories here, I could search just across the kind of product it is. So if I knew I was looking for an air vent, when I click on air vents here, I can see the air vent that's available and the compatible models it cross-references to. Something interesting about the way we've managed pricing on this site, pricing is broken down by the kind of user and the tier level they live within. Just to show you a visual example of that, in our backend here, these are the prices that we have pulled out of their backend systems. So prices on their site are all set to either homeowner level, which is MSRP, membership level, which is MSRP 20% off, but there's negotiated prices based on the tier of customer or their special relationship with Noritz.